Welcome to today's Tech Tip video. Today, we will be reviewing the steps of how to merge LinkedIn accounts and how to confirm that you do not have duplicate accounts running at the same time. Let's get into it. Let's start with merging accounts on your desktop. First, log into your primary LinkedIn account. Click on the Me icon, then navigate to Settings and Privacy. In the Account Preferences section, scroll down to Account Management and choose Merging LinkedIn Accounts. Then click Merge Connections from two LinkedIn accounts. Input the email and password of the account to merge, then confirm the merge. The next step is to close any duplicate account. To do this, log into the account you want to close. Click the Me icon, then navigate to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Account Preferences and scroll down to Account Management and choose Close Account. Then select I have a duplicate account. To confirm there are no duplicates after the above step, navigate to the LinkedIn logo to Accounts. Then go to Accounts and Settings. From there, you can make sure you do not have any duplicate accounts present under the account list. After merging, make sure to update your LinkedIn password for security. Well, that's it for today's tech tip. This will help you keep your LinkedIn accounts focused and make sure users can easily view your content and post. Make sure to reach out if you have any questions and have a great day.